Hi on, in this video I'm going to show you guys a tutorial to transfer photos and videos from your PC to your iOS device wirelessly. So let's jump into this tutorial. First of all, watch the video linked in the description or over there, as the method we are going to follow is that method. So after following that guide, on our PC, enable file sharing on the folder which contain the photos and videos that you want to share to your iPhone. After that, on your iPhone, open files application and head over to the PC server, then to the folder which contain the photos and videos that you want to save to your iPhone. After that, select the photos and videos that you want to save, select the share option, then choose save photo and video. It's going to save the files to your photos. So that's all about this simple video, guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.